A bill setting conditions on restoring felon voting rights is moving through the Florida House. Voters approved a constitutional amendment in November giving felons the right to vote. Currently, only in 2 states, Vermont and Maine, do felons never lose that right. News 5's Bryant Clerkley is live in downtown Pensacola at the polling center with more on this bill. Bryant?
That's right. I'm here on Palafox Street at the main polling center here in Pensacola where a lot of felons would vote. Now, this new bill says that felons would have to pay civil fines and court costs before they could vote. And I spoke with a few felons today, and they say that this is just another roadblock. The House Criminal Justice Subcommittee approved the bill 10-5, with Republicans in support and Democrats opposing. One woman who says she was convicted of felony battery does not agree with having to pay fines or fees. She says being able to vote is one of the most important rights anybody has.
I wouldn't do it. I'd still be one that doesn't voice my opinion, because I'm not going to pay them to voice my opinion when everybody else doesn't have to voice their opinion or pay to voice their opinion, and I have just because I did wrong in my past, and that's not right.
Advocates say the bill would restrict poor people from voting. Some people we spoke with who declined to go on camera say they don't think felons should have the right to vote in the first place, and the fees are not that big of a deal. One man says it depends on what the civil fines and court costs are going to.
If there was a fee that was associated with a cost to get them registered and to get their records cleared up, so that they could vote, then that seems fair.
One man says he's homeless and was convicted of robbery years ago. He says gaining voting rights back was a huge deal for felons in the state of Florida. And he does not understand why some leaders are trying to make things more difficult for people like himself.
I can only think that if a man or a woman was to try to hinder us from doing so, taking away our right to vote would only decrease the opportunity for us to prosper in this country.
Now, the bill only applies to felons who have not been convicted of murder or sexual crimes. Live in downtown Pensacola, I'm Bryant Clerkley, WKRG News 5.
In 14 states, felons lose voting rights only while incarcerated. Once released, rights are restored automatically. In 22 states, including Florida, right now, felons lose voting rights until they complete their full sentence, which may include parole or probation. Another 12 states, including Alabama and Mississippi, may require a waiting period and a restoration process after a sentence is completed before felons can regain their right to vote.